Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it. And I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Welcome to Anonymous AI. James and Max here. We are so excited to have you here because 2024 is rocking. We're making a ton of money and we're doing it the way that we want, the way that we love, and now we're going to bring it to you. And what is it that's so great about this? What's so great is that now we're giving you what you've been asking for. People want to be anonymous. People don't want to show their face online. People want to make money, but they don't want to put in the work. When you're using the power of being anonymous, you're using the power of AI, and most importantly, when you're using the timing and going after a brand new marketplace, all those things combined in an easy to use but yet super powerful package, the money is insane. So think about it. You don't have to show your face. You don't need everybody all up in your business about what you're doing online. You can use a specific, special AI tool that we've created to help you dominate this. You can be in front of literally millions of people in a brand new marketplace where money's coming in like crazy, and you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to do any support. You just follow this system and everything is there for you to absolutely dominate it in 2024. But the timing is key. Now's the time. Not a year from now, not 6 months from now. Now, if you get in now, anyone that buys this product, everything is just wide open. It's wide open with what you can do. But if you wait 6 months from now, you're going to have a ton more competition. But right now, us, people that buy Anonymous AI, people that take action, are going to absolutely destroy anyone else that's not even aware that this is possible. Max?
Yeah, guys, I'm super excited that you made it to this page here, that you're watching this video now, because this is really a super important moment for you that you should not miss out on, because yeah, we are crushing it with this. And for you, it has never been as easy as it is right now to see big results online, as James already mentioned, without having to show your face, and without really pretty much having to learn any skills at all, as everything is done for you already. This is brand new, a brand new marketplace, a brand new opportunity. And if you take action on this, then you will definitely be able to dominate 2024 and make this your year. And yeah, once again, I'm super happy to have you here. And now it is just really, really important that you go ahead and you click this button below this video and join us right now.
Absolutely. So again, be completely anonymous. Use the power of AI. You don't have to work. You don't have to struggle. You get in front of a brand new marketplace where traffic comes to you like crazy. When you use the power of the AI, when you use the power of this process where we lay out exactly what to do, it's insane. The opportunity is there. We can't wait to have you be a part of this. We're crushing it. Now you crush it with Anonymous AI. Pick it up below.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.